Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to open the Pine editor in TradingView and start using it. So, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. First, open any chart inside TradingView. Once you're on the chart screen, look at the bottom right corner. You'll see a small Pine icon there. Click on it, and the Pine editor will open right away. If you don't see the Pine icon in that area, there's another way to access it. Go to the right side panel and click on the Products icon. From the list, find and select Pine Editor. You can also mark it as a favorite so it gets added to your quick access panel, making it easier to open next time. Once the Pine Editor is open, you can start working on your script. Click on New to create a blank script, or choose a sample script if you want to learn from an example. After writing your code, click on Save to save your script. Then click Add to Chart to apply it directly to the chart and see how it works. If you want more space to work, click the three dots in the Pine Editor panel. From there, you can open the editor in a new window or a new tab. This makes it easier to manage your workspace, especially when you're writing longer scripts. And that's how you can open and use the Pine Editor in TradingView.